Hi, Erica McLean here. Welcome or welcome back if you've been here before. Today we're going to take a look at another property that was sold to one of these We Buy As Is for Cash buyers and see if the seller potentially lost money doing it. This property was located in Portage Park area of Chicago. So let's take a look. Okay, we can see here from the public records that this We Buy As Is company purchased it for $220,000 on December 6th. Okay, here's the description when this company turned around and put it back on the market. Now they start out with saying updated. All they did was refinish some hardwood floors, paint, and replace some carpet. To me, that's not an updated house, but you decide for yourself when you see the photos. Okay, remember, they purchased it December 6th. They put it back on the market January 27th. Okay, when they did put it back on the market, they had a list price of $299.9. Now, we could see from the photos, kitchen is original, bathroom is original. They did refinish the floors and they painted. But I think that is the extent of what they did, unless any personal items they removed. But to me, that's a significant difference for some refinishing of hardwood floors that I am positive were already there, and some painting and carpet. So I guess in their opinion, listing it for almost $80,000 more than the fair price offer they gave the seller, a little paint, a little refinishing of the floors, and some carpet, that doesn't add up to $80,000 in my book. But let's take a look at what it sold for. Okay, you can see here from the public record, they had it on the market only 5 days before it went under contract, and it sold for $310,000. That's $90,000 more than what they paid the seller. Now, my question is, do you think that the seller potentially left money on the table with this deal? Let me know in the comments. I would love to know your opinion. I'm going to give you my opinion. For the location of the property, that it had good bones. This company, yeah, okay, they refinished some floors, they put some carpet in, they probably cleaned it. I think if the seller had spoken to some realtors, listed it as is, without the floors finished, without any painting, just as is, maybe they would have had to hire somebody to remove items from the property. But selling it as is, they're supposed to have the property broom swept clean and empty of any personal belongings. I believe they could have got $250 for this house had they listed it with a realtor at that time, maybe even more. I'm kind of erring on the cautious side here by saying $250. And even, for example, if they paid a 5% real estate commission, that would have been $12,500. The seller would have netted $237,500. So that's a difference of $17,500 minimum. So in my opinion, I think that the seller lost money, or they were okay with paying for the convenience of not having to have somebody move stuff out of the house. And if that was worth over 17,000 to them, then I guess for them, they didn't lose money. In my opinion, they did. Well, I hope you found this video informative. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell so you'll know when future videos come out. And please, if you know anybody that is planning to take an offer from one of these we buy as is for cash companies, please ask them to at least speak to a few realtors and see and get their opinion. I hate to see sellers lose money. And like always, if you have any questions, comments, anything, all my information is below. Please reach out. I would love to hear from you. And again, thanks for watching. Hope to see you back for another video. But I'll say bye for now.